fascinating phenomenon. I kind of wanted to know, well, okay, well, you can illustrate three-dimensional forms on a two-dimensional surface, but you have to follow different laws. So I became infatuated with laws. What makes these things pop up? And it looks three-dimensional. Right, and this is, I got into art to kind of understand it.
Have to take psychopathology, parapsychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream. A number of different parapsychological phenomena are augmented, modified, and
if you put a very map of notes that was extracted from the chromatic scales to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. One of the biggest phenomena we have in music is something called octaves. Why do we hear octaves? Why, when you double a chord, or let's say primarily an A chord consists of 440 hertz. Why, when you double 440 hertz?
Related to knowing a lot about all these subjects and being able to explain them and talk.
Being able to solve problems.
Okay.
I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that,
then you have like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have
Rhythmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So